here pala. So, I think this is from my Mami Jean. So, let's unbox it. Let's open it. Whoa! Thank you. Whoa! What do you think is this, guys? So heavy. Whoa!
Oh, so big.
Yeah. It's cash register. And what's the other one? Oh. Wow. Can you please get me the scissors? Whoa, cash register. What is the other one? This looks like something. Yeah. So guys, so here is the inside of the box. And this is a toast. We just like do this. And we do that. And this is the card register. So big. So all I want to say is thank you, Mami Jean, and I love you so much. Thank you for the clothes and for the gift me. Especially this. This was the exciting moment. So let's open it. Where's the scissor? Oh, scissors here. Hi guys, so this is the cash register. So first is this. You like scan it to the barcodes and you will know how much is it. And press the on first.
Hello, welcome my friend.
And this is the microphone button. Hello? There we go. And the basket with
Put back the scanner.
put back to scan. Okay. And there's a button here, guys. Here, oh. When you press this, if you want flat, just press this button. See? Oh. There you go. If you want it flat. If you don't like flat, if you don't like to be flat, just press this button again. There you go. I want it to be flat. There you go. Where's it? And here's the weighing scale. Okay, bye. This is the weighing scale, and we have this. My mommy put stickers on it, which is this thing, and this is the manual. See? And this is the credit card. Swipe it. There you go. It just make noise like this. And cookies. And flour for a cake or something. This is carrot. I thought this was a hot dog. And this is milk. Corn and a basket. We just put it here. And it will check. And here's the buttons. So this on it.
Hello, welcome my friend.
Hit cut. There you go. Hit flat. Make it flat. And here, let's test it. Let's go.
$10,
Hey,
$3, $6.50, 90 cents,
carrot.
$5,
I can also scan this. Look.
$10,
What? I can sell this credit card. And here's the inside part. There's cash. There you go. And some bills. Here's some the cents. They have 1 cent, 10 cents, 25 cents, and that's That's it. And 5 cents. Don't forget about that. Here are the coins. I'll show you it. Here you go. And let's put it back. And of course the bill. Where's the other bill? Oh. I have $1, $5,
Please come again.
okay,
Bye.
$10 and $20. So it's just that $1, $5, and $10 and $20. That's it. And I'll show you the toaster in the next vlog. And I forgot to vlog about the microwave, which is this one, guys. This one. I haven't vlogged this. So I will vlog this in the other day tomorrow. Bye guys.